Getting into your Honda CR-V and seeing a warning that your key fob is not detected is an incredibly stressful way to start your day. You are sitting there pushing the button, nothing is happening, and you feel completely stranded. But you are actually not stuck. Even if the battery inside your fob is 100% dead, there is a built-in bypass to get your engine running right now. First, let's get your car started so you can get on the road. Put your foot firmly on the brake pedal, just like you normally would. Now, instead of pushing the engine start button with your finger, take your dead key fob and physically press the plastic shell directly against the start button. Push the button inward using the key fob itself. Inside your fob is a tiny hidden identification chip that uses near-field communication. The start button has a built-in proximity sensor that can read this exact chip even when the fob has absolutely no battery power left. Your CR-V will instantly recognize the key and fire right up, allowing you to drive home or get to a store. Now for the permanent fix. You do not need a dealership to reprogram anything, you just need a standard CR2032 watch battery. Look at the back of your key fob. You will see a small latch. Slide that latch over and pull out the emergency physical metal key hidden inside the bottom of the fob. Use that same metal key or a small flathead screwdriver and wedge it into the exact slot where the key just came out. Gently twist it like you are opening a locked door. The two halves of the plastic key fob will pop right apart, exposing the green circuit board and the dead battery. Pop the old battery out and press the new CR2032 battery in. Snap the two plastic halves back together with your hands and slide the metal emergency key back into place. It takes 2 minutes, costs about $3, and saves you a massive dealership fee.